All right, I'm excited. I meant to bring my mic out so y'all don't hear this highway. I stay right behind the highway for y'all that be wanting to know what that noise is. But yeah, I'm excited because I got my new trees in from Madison. I got a, what is that? A variegated citronello, a vaniglia sweet orange, vaniglia sweet, I think that's how you say that. It's my Moro and Tarocco, I think that's how you say that. Blood orange mix. If I can get the tag on this other one. Y'all gotta excuse my yard. I'm getting it together. Well, the tag is down in there. But yeah, check out the plants though. That's the variegated. Looks pretty good to me. These are the other ones. Leaves look good and healthy. So I'm gonna pop these up and show y'all what they look like when they come out. But yeah, they were shipping like the way. It's all boxed up. They actually came pretty tall because they said because I bought them before winter hit. And so they wouldn't ship them, and they said, well, they're gonna keep growing them for me. They're not gonna just send me a new plant, another small one. So that's why they got this size on. I am so thankful because I ended up dropping a lot of leaves on my other trees. Y'all know that because I've been showing you. So I'm so happy that they kept it, and I didn't have to try to fight with these ones during winter as well and have even more plants to have to nurse back to health. But those are doing okay. They're actually starting to bud now. Show you the root ball on here. It looks really good. This is the variegated citronella. Well, Miniola, my bad. Miniola is what this is. I've been saying that wrong. I'm new. All right, y'all. I got them all repotted. Ready to go. Well, these are the three I got from Madison Citrus Nursery. These two here are from McKenzie Farms. So I'm gonna show y'all what these look like. Good looking plant. And we had a real hard storm, windstorm for the last few days, man. I thought these plants was about to get blown out the pots. But we got my vaniglia there. Moro Tarocco. And the variegated Miniola, all from Madison Citrus Nursery. Turn my little tags around. Oh, well, that's the only one that got a tag. These are, that's my pink, well, no, that's my Maryland in there. I thought all this fruit was gonna be gone off of here when I came out from that storm. I said, now I guarantee you, all my little baby oranges and limes or lemons, they're gonna be gone. But some of them did go, not gonna lie. But they held on pretty good. That's a carrot Cara. And that was one of the ones that I had to put in my tent and get all its foliage back and stuff like that. I don't know if that's a fruit or a flower. Trying to get a good, there you go. So y'all tell me what you think. But yeah, that's what we got going. Got the whole line down there as well. I'll take a video of that later. But yeah, I just really wanted to show you guys these Madison Citrus Nursery trees. It's pretty good. I like them. This is my second time ordering from them. Let you guys check them out. I know I gotta take all this green tape off, but I'm glad I didn't do it because of that damn storm. And if I would have did it, ain't no telling how bad these would have got. So I think I'm gonna leave it on for like probably another week just to let the storms pass. It's good looking plants though.